NBC2 has really made a commitment to make sure that the language that you hear during hurricane season leading up to an emergency is not only clear, but conversational and easy to understand.
That's right. And, Chief Meteorologist Allison Ray is teaching you why it's smart to fine-tune those things.
The National Hurricane Center has two graphics in order to tell you what time tropical storm force winds could arrive in your area. Earliest time of arrival and reasonable time of arrival. So what's the difference? Well, to compare, let's go on a road trip. Imagine we want to drive to New York. Well, Google says it will take us 18 hours at the fastest time. But getting to New York in 18 hours is just not reasonable. You're going to get stuck in traffic probably. And you're probably going to have to get gas at least multiple times. And there will be restroom breaks as well. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
You too. We still have to eat. We still have to sleep. Reasonably, we're not going to make it to New York in 18 hours. But with that earliest time of arrival, that gives you a good baseline of when to be ready. When are your hurricane shutters up? Do you have everything prepared by that time? And reasonably, we'll expect it as it is forecast under the reasonable time of arrival.